my channel. It's Erica J. I hope you are feeling just as fabulous as I am. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because you already know I want to be your bestie. I want to be your best friend. But let's get right into it. Guys, I follow a lot of beauty influencers. I watch a lot of makeup tutorials on YouTube because I just got into makeup like 5 minutes ago. I'm not even being funny. Like, I was always that natural girl that's like, I don't know how people just spend 2 hours putting on makeup, getting dressed and all that stuff, honey. And I am sis. Now I live in Sephora, and also, like, those are literally my best friends. I visit them at least 3 times a week. I'm obsessed with all things makeup. But anyway, by doing all that, like following all these influencers, I kept getting ads from Boxycharm and Ipsy. So I decided to go ahead and hit up Boxycharm and see what it was about. I was a little skeptical at first because you're supposed to get like 5 full-size products for $21 a month. I was like, something has got to be wrong with the products, or is it stuff that nobody wants, or like what's going on? So look, y'all, my hair, I'm not even gonna tell y'all that I just spent all this time doing my hair and makeup, okay? And my hair is just dead. It's gone already. Before I even started filming, it just fell. I'm so, But anyway, so I actually got 2 boxes in the mail. I don't know why. To be honest with y'all, I don't even know how long these boxes have been sitting, because like, look at all my makeup here. I'm like obsessed. And then I just get stuff and put it on the bottom until I'm ready to, like, it's like a reveal. It's like this magical moment with me and the makeup. It's like the strange new obsession that I have. Anyway, so I don't know if I like missed 2 months, or I don't know if I like subscribed at the end of the month in August or something. Then I got August's box and September. I don't know. But anyway, so let's open them up, see what it's about. I also want to know if it's black girl friendly. Because I did sign up for, like, because they asked you a bunch of questions. So let's go back. When you log on to boxycharm.com, you put in your information, you create an account, and then it takes you through a series of questions where they ask you, do you want to be sent like eyeshadow, skincare, or are you more like into lips, you know, that kind of thing. Because, you know, some of us that do wear makeup, we might just focus on eyeshadow, or I mean, you know, you wear all of it, but I'm just saying, like, a person like myself, like, I'm probably more focused on, I love lips. I love eyeshadow as well, but I am not that good at eyeshadow yet, you know? So when I go in Sephora also, I'm straight like to the highlight, blush, and lip section. So anyway, it just breaks down what type of products, what type of beauty products, makeup that you want, skincare, so on and so forth. This hair is like really bothering me. But anyway, let's get into it and start with the first item. I'm also going to be going back and forth on my desktop to see how much these items are really worth, and am I really getting a deal? Like, I really want to know. So anyway, let's get started. If I can open up the box, that would be great. Have my little scissors, and it comes in like this cute little box, right? It's very small. If you can compare it to, like, I don't know, this is probably like 8 inches by 3 or something like that. It's a really cute box. Let me cut it open and let's see what's in here. And I don't want to cut myself. I usually like to just rip things open, but I'm not going to do that. Oh, this is cute. So right here it says like Boxy Charm with the little hashtag Boxy Charm with the little social media. That is really cute. What does it say? Hello, charmer, because they know I'm a charmer. But anyway, let's see. So it says Boxy Charm All Access. Oh, and it gives you like a little card with everything that's in it. Oh my God, the words are so tiny. Lord, I need some glasses. Let's see. So we have some eyeshadow. We have a Violet Voss. I've never heard of that company before. Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. That should be interesting. Ooh, Dr. Brandt. I love that brand. A Hydro Biotic, recovery sleeping mask. I live for a mask, y'all. Seriously. Oh my goodness. So, oh, and then it's a brush kit. Girl, y'all know I live for a brush kit too. Hank and Henry black eyeliner. I don't know who Hank and Henry is, but hopefully it's good. And $1 Billion Brow. Okay, so that's what's supposedly in here. Well, not supposedly, like, I'm seeing now like they cheated me. So let's see. So the first item is the Dr. Brandt Hydro Biotic Sleeping Mask. Okay, can you see that, guys? Do the YouTubers still do this? so you can like see the product. You know, I'm new and everything, I don't know. But anyway, so I don't know. It says deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. That should be good. I probably chose this in the skincare, and I chose this particular product, but I do get my cheeks, y'all, like I could just breathe and my cheeks are red. I guess it's because of my skin tone. But yeah, so I probably answered a question too. Do I have like irritated skin, like redness or something like that? And I answered yes. So this is a pretty nice size. It's 1.7 ounces, but let's check. I don't even have to jump on the internet because the pricing is right here. And again, this entire box was $21. So this particular sleeping mask was $52. So if I walk into, you know what, let me check this, because they better not be lying to me. You know, sometimes they try to gas you up. I'm trying to make sure they're not gassing us up, sis, like for real. Because I'm walking around thinking it was a $52 product and it was not. Let's see. Google is my friend. All right, so in fact it is. It's just that I'm seeing it online at Sephora.com for $52. The only difference is theirs come in a jar and this one is more like a tube. Oh, all right, so they did rip me off, and guess what? This is thebomb.com because it is $52. I checked on Sephora and I checked on their actual website, Brandt.com. But what I did notice was, like I said, like online at Sephora and on their website, it's a jar, but this one comes in a tube. So I guess maybe it's specially made for Boxycharm so that it can fit in this little compact little box that it comes in. So I feel like I got a steal already, knowing that I have like 4 other products in here, and this one was $52 by itself, and the subscription is only $21 a month. So the next item we have in here, it's called the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Let's check that out. Ooh, okay, the colors are decent. Oh, it has a little mirror, so let me show you that, guys. You can like see my ring light there. Try not to show that. It's like a little reflection. These are some nice colors. I really like this one called Terracotta. That's really pretty. Gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose. It's pretty good. All right, so let's see how much this one is supposed to retail for. $29. This is really cute. I really like this color cinnamon. Let me show you. I like to keep the little plastic when you get eyeshadow, like the little plastic cover. I'm gonna take it off. But right here, that little cinnamon, do we like that color? I like neutral colors. That's really, really pretty. I'm impressed. $29. I'm gonna have to check out Violet Voss now because I've never heard of that brand. Some more shit I gotta try. All right, and next up we have some brushes. All right, this Moda Pro by Royal and Langnickel. Okay, it's supposed to be a deluxe eye kit brush, and hopefully you didn't see anything, because like I'm sitting here, basically I have on a shirt. You guys don't know I don't have on pants or anything. You know, I'm trying to batch today. I'm trying to shoot like multiple videos. I don't have time to be changing all these outfits. But anyway, so this brush set is, let's see, where did it go? Can I read? All right. It retails for $27.95. Let's see. So it's supposed to give you like quality filaments and modern professional look with the shapes that you can create with these brushes. I just want to feel them. Ooh, I hate opening up stuff when I'm not going to use it. Do you guys do that too? Like when I'm not going to use something, especially like my makeup brushes or just anything. Like I told you guys, I have like the secret little shelf down here, all my new stuff. I just put it there. And then when I want that, like that rush of opening up something new, I just take one. I just open it up. And anyway, I'm gonna have to cut this. This is, oh no, here it is. This is really, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this. All right, so let's see. Let's check out these brushes. I feel really bad because I'm not gonna use them today. Oh, they're really soft. Let's see. What are they made of? I like to know what brushes are made of. Like what kind of hair, but it doesn't say. But anyway, there's a shade, a crease, a detail, a smudge, and a line brush. Let's take them out so you, oh, man down. Here are the brushes. Oh, they feel really good. They're like textured at the bottom. Can you see that? Make sure you guys can see that. They're really soft. Okay, I guess this is for when like I get fancy with the eyeshadow. I really have to devote some time to practicing on the eyeshadow. I did a good job the other day. That was like 1 in 20, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes, or most of the time when I put on eyeshadow, I really look like somebody just hit me in the eye. So maybe this will help. Okay, retail for $29, and again, they're in a box, in the Boxy Charm for $21 for all of these products. I think I like Boxy Charm. At the next item, this is just some eyeliner. It's called a brow pen, actually. My bad. Let me look at the little card here. Oh, it's called $1 Billion Brow, the microblade effect. I'm gonna try this tomorrow. It's a brow pen, okay? It retails for $18. Let me show you. They sent the color, this just says dark, so I'm gonna assume that's black. Can you guys see that? Let's see if it's backwards or, it's really cute. Well, how can a liner be cute? Y'all know I be on YouTube too much on something cute. It's just a damn brow pencil. Well, let's see. Trying to open it up to see, like, it's, it says brow effect. I'm sorry, microblading effect. So maybe it gives you those like hair-like strokes. That's what took me a long time today too, was doing my eyebrows, because y'all, I had overdid it. I had looked up, I was looking like Chewbacca by the eyebrows or something. I was like, girl, go calm that down, like thin that out. And I have like decent brows. It's just weird, like I always see people like thick brows. It's like you always see a girl with something that you want, right? Like you see a girl with thick brows, you like, yeah, I'm going home. I'm gonna get my little Anastasia or Anastasia, however you pronounce it. I'm gonna just do it up. I got my brow gel. I got my little powder. Girl, today I was like, girlfriend, you need to chill. Take some of that off, right? I had to go get like a little tissue. Just take some of that off. Okay, let's see. So, oh, look at that. Look at the tip. Can you guys see the tip? Let me do my little YouTube hand. You see the tip? There we go. See, I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, I like this. Check this out. I'm gonna show you guys my hand. You can see my hand? It gives really like hair-like brush strokes. Girl. Okay, I should have had this morning. Okay, I'm really gonna try this. I'm excited. So let's see. I don't know, what did I say? How much is this retail for? $18, which is pricey for, I guess, a brow pen. To me, it's pricey. But anyway, I'm gonna try this, and I'm also gonna go on their website. I'm gonna go on all these websites. I'm gonna spend some more money outside of Boxy Charm, just going on these folks' website like, ooh, what's that? Sis gotta have it. You know, it's just crazy that I used to always be that natural girl, like, who is at home spending 2 hours on makeup? That is just crazy. Her face is just so cakey. And now I'm sis. Now I'm out here just caked away, baking my life away. Y'all, look, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,